Hello and welcome to my new farm. I moved from the cube base, just safe and boring, and I built a farm because when I saw how much money you can make from this super corn, it was so tempting. And you don't need much actually, so I'm just starting to learn living off the land, raising crops and selling them to the traders and then buy everything I need. So there's not much you have to craft, you can buy almost everything. So it's not fully self-sustaining, I just moved here today, so let's see how it works. So this is really a simple base with the cornfield and some hop for a beer. I still need some more farming containers. And this is the earth built, front earth built from concrete, but it looks like a round earth. This is the trick. There's not much to see here. I think I need just the cooking station, the chemistry station for beer if I want to draft the beer, but I don't think I will actually need the beer at the end, so maybe I will just raise the cotton or something else. The dew collectors. Okay, so tonight is the Horde night, and this is the time to prove that my concept is working. I built this first Hoover Blender chopper crazy flying base from wood, and it obviously worked. It actually worked reasonably well, but the wood has been destroyed very soon, so I have to flee. And also I had the generator, which was not strong enough for the choppers. So what I have now is like I have a solar bank with just 2 panels, so you don't need much. And then we have 2 battery packs, so there's like independent wiring for each of the 2 layers of choppers. So basically it's 2x4. So the left side is powering up the bottom choppers, and the right side is powering up the upper choppers. So the only thing you have to do, you have to switch off the charging and then switch on the choppers. Well, that's about it when you see the horde coming. Because I've been using the time switch, but the time switch is not good when you have to fight the horde during the day, so you have to run for cover. And then you have no way out to switch off the charging and run the choppers on the batteries. Because the solar panel itself is just like only 44 max or 44 watts. So it cannot power up this chopping station. So this chopping station is actually 8 choppers. It's 20 watts per chopper. So basically it's 8 times 20, so 160 max, 160 watts you need. It's not megawatts, it's just watts. So you need 160 watts to power this up, and yeah, and I do this redundant charging or wiring that actually shouldn't be destroyed. The big advantage of this base is actually that you are able to repair it from inside. You need the athletics perk, this agility perk, to jump 2 meters high, otherwise you don't get here. But the good thing is that you can actually repair those things through the cage. So whenever you see something is broken, there's like minor damage to the cage. And whenever you see something is broken, like the chopper is wearing up down or too many zombies to chop, then you can just repair it on the fly. Which is the strongest thing, because if you have a build with a lot of traps, they just get destroyed over time, and you're losing those. So this one is like maximum efficiency, there's no space in between, so it's like 4 choppers just stuck together. So basically you cannot squeeze in without getting any damage. So, and the base can be built on top of those, so I didn't know that, but the proof of concept showed that it actually holds the base, or not the base, but the cage. I put also some cage or the spikes on the top of the cage, so to fend off some birds. I think I can still shoot them, so I think I will be fine. Yeah. I have this electric button for the close-ups, but I don't think I will do any close-ups. I will just shoot the machine gun from the hip. Just for fun, but I think the choppers can do all the job, so I just keep them up and running, and if there's some bad cops running my way, I can just shoot them in the face. Always nice.
Ready for duty.
The drone is always ready. So yeah, I've got some stuff here that I don't need is extra. Yeah, we just keep that on me. Yeah, it's just basically the drone is carrying my lunch. Okay, so far I'm pretty confident in the drone.
How may I help?
I just gave him all the money and he didn't lose it, so it's quite reliable. Not getting stuck anywhere, so I kinda like the drone. Some experience bottles to check in. And I also have a experience headband. This farmer's outfit, because I like to play this farmer now. I have all my skills. I have nothing in perception. I have 7 in strength just to get some mining bonuses and master shots. That's about it. Yeah, because if you are, I do a lot of rebuilding, so destroying the blocks, it just makes everything faster. Just like doing more damage to blocks and mining more. But I don't like mining that much. I did a lot of digging. So for the fortitude, I have like 10 out of 10. It's like pain tolerance, quite useful. Healing factor, rule, cardio, pain, yeah. Living off the land is crucial for farming. I got some points in machine gunning. Let's see. Trying different guns.
Master, we are not alone.
Okay. Distribute the load, because they are running to one side, you just can stay here. They are running all the way along to this side. If you want to move on here, you can just do it. The traps are just getting damaged. I don't know if like I should require it in the preemptively. Let's see how much.
Incoming enemy. Prepare for conflict.
See the experience is running up, so there's another bonus. I will just push out and it was fine. so good. How the batteries are doing.
Master, we are not alone.
He destroyed my solar panel. I think I will put some choppers on top of the roof as well because very after my Okay. I see the weak part now. They protect the batteries. It's like a bird attacking. Maybe it's just the turret on top. Okay, some points noted.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
Forget to bring the resources for repairing these installations. So go down on more birds. If they destroy the batteries, it's over. Fly away. It's a nice sound there.
My sensors have picked up something.
Exploding. Turbine is down. The chopper is down. Okay. I don't know, will I destroy it? Because the demolisher. Basically lost 2 choppers.
Master, we are not alone.
Okay, he's doing some heavy damage. I think it was the demolisher. We just let him hit the fence and it was destroying. So far it seems that this page is flying straight through. not exploding, so they're just like hitting the
Feeling about this.
construction. It's quite needy. So we have to fix that. So you have to be extra careful with those demolishers because they are just hitting heavy hitters. Just go to the fast.
Incoming enemy. Prepare for conflict. Destroyed and how come that this like demolition does so much damage? Even alive. Okay, we survived, I would say like barely. His last leg standing. Okay, the roof survived, but it was like lucky. If there were more birds, it would be destroyed. So this is not working well. Yeah, these choppers are getting like destroyed really fast. So it's definitely not an AFK base. I kind of like the loot and I like this, like 3 skill points. Just standing here.
it took a lot of iron. Say, yeah, I didn't count it, but I will see it on the video. I didn't shoot that much, but yeah. Those mines, I don't know. It's like destroy the road, but is it worth it? I don't know. So yeah, like mixed feeling about this. It's working somehow, but it's definitely not zombie proofed. It just with like more demolishers and heavy hitting, you just miss the repair cycle or something. You run out of steel, then yeah, you are done for. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day.